Let's travel to the Western Sahara in North Africa. Imagine a place covered in sand as far as you can see, like a giant ocean of dunes. The sun beats down, making it super hot and dry. Rain is very rare here, so most of the land is parched and cracked, but guess what? Even in this tough environment, amazing creatures have found ways to live. We see tough insects, reptiles, and even some furry mammals. They've all learned special tricks to survive in this challenging place, and believe it or not, one of the most incredible creatures here is the butterfly. These delicate beauties flutter through the dry air, adding splashes of color to the brown and tan landscape. Seeing butterflies in such a tough place is really inspiring. It shows us how strong and adaptable life can be. You might think butterflies belong in fields of flowers, not deserts, right? But in the Western Sahara, they teach us a powerful lesson. Nature always finds a way. When we think of deserts, butterflies aren't usually the first thing that pop into our heads. We picture them in gardens full of colorful flowers, right? But these delicate insects have found a way to live even in the hottest, driest parts of the Western Sahara. It's amazing how adaptable they are. Over many, many years, desert butterflies have changed in special ways to survive the extreme heat and lack of water. They've learned how to stay cool, find enough to drink, and find the food they need. These butterflies don't just survive in the desert, they thrive. It's a great example of how incredible life on Earth truly is. Seeing these delicate creatures in such a harsh place reminds us that beauty can be found anywhere. It also teaches us that nature is full of surprises and that life always finds a way. Desert butterflies are like tiny superheroes, using amazing tricks to survive the scorching heat and dryness. They've learned how to control their body temperature, save water, and stay alive in a really tough place. One of their cleverest tricks is being most active during the coolest parts of the day, like dawn and dusk. When the sun is high and the heat is intense, they find shade under rocks or plants to avoid losing water. Their wings are also super important for survival. Some desert butterflies have shiny scales on their wings that reflect sunlight like tiny mirrors, keeping them cool. Others have large wings that help them ride air currents, saving energy and staying out of the sun's glare. And when it comes to finding water in a desert, they are experts. Some butterflies drink nectar from desert flowers, while others are even more resourceful, finding moisture in damp sand or even animal droppings. Their ability to survive on so little water is a true testament to their incredible adaptation skills. Even though it's a challenging environment, the Western Sahara is home to a surprising variety of butterfly species. Each one has its own unique way of making a living in this tough environment. Take the desert green white butterfly, for example. This medium-sized butterfly is a common sight in the Sahara. Its pale green wings help it blend in with the desert plants, making it hard for predators to spot. Then there's the African migrant, a strong flyer known for its incredible journeys. These butterflies travel long distances across the Sahara, following the rains to find blooming flowers. Their ability to navigate over such vast distances and find food in the desert is truly remarkable. And let's not forget the desert beauty, a small butterfly with a name that fits its appearance. This butterfly is known for its stunning orange and black wings. The male butterflies are especially striking, often performing aerial displays to attract females. They add a splash of color to the desert landscape, proving that beauty can be found even in the harshest environments.